Do all your flies look like this? Completely unraveled and unusable. So how do we go from this to this? Well, that's what we're going to be covering today. To stop our flies from unraveling, we're going to need one of these. This is a whip finisher. The whip finisher has three major aspects: the hook, the arm, and the sleeve. You might be thinking to yourself, how is this crazy thing going to help stop my flies from unraveling? Well, it's going to help you tie a knot at the end of your fly. Here's how to tie it. First, grab your whip finisher where the arm meets the sleeve. Then, grab the thread with the hook and wrap it under the arm. Now, pull your whip finisher up above the fly so that your sleeve is nearly parallel with the ground. You should see a backwards 4 made out with your thread. Now, hold your whip finisher on the sleeve and make sure the thread attached to your bobbin is close to the fly. You may now begin wrapping the whip finisher hook around the fly, making sure that your thread gets caught under the wraps. Wrap 4 to 5 times and now rotate the whip finisher so that the thread slips off the arm. You can now pull your bobbin away from the fly, closing the gap between your hook and the fly. Once your hook is close enough to the fly, you can unwrap it from the thread. Now, you can cut the tag end off and apply head cement if you want. Over here at Riverbend Angler, we suggest you follow these 3 steps to get the best whip finishes. 1. Practice. Practice makes perfect, so take your time and practice as many times as you need to get those perfect whip finishers. Number 2. Practice more. I know it sounds like a lot, but remember, practice makes perfect. And 3. Practice again. Yes. We suggest you practice and practice and practice to get the best whip finishes possible. If you like this video, consider subscribing and liking. Also, check out this other video. It explains exactly what fly tying is.